Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the customer support team for the Experian application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to use the Experian application but you are facing various issues and you need to contact the customer support team, then in order to do this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then use the search box to search for the Experian application. Once you find the Experian app, tap on it, and if there is an update option available, tap on it to install the latest updates. After installing the latest updates, try using the application, and if it still doesn't work, in order to contact the support team, tap on the App Support drop-down menu. You will now find the email address that you can use to contact the support team. Tap on this email address and you can choose your email application in order to send your support email. Now, within the subject section, type in the issue in regards to which you are contacting the support team. You can then explain your issue in detail within the main body of the email. Then you can simply tap on the send button and your email will be sent to the customer support team for Experian. You will need to wait for a while until you receive your response from the support team, and you can have your query resolved in this way. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the support team for Experian. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.